Hello and welcome students. Let's begin with today's class. In today's class we are going to study about the archaeologists, historians and travelers. So in our last class we already studied about the resources of history or about the source of history, from where do we get to know about the history. Along with that we also studied about the importance of history in our first class, right? Now, today I'm going to explain you about the history, or who gives this history to us, like who's who plays an important role to find about this, who does and research on all these things. We'll study in today's class. Let's begin. History means information given by archaeologists about past of human society on the basis of resource. So basically history gives us the information, or it gives the information to archaeologists. Who is archaeologists? Archaeologists are basically who studies about the past based on the things which they get from certain places or that old sites, right? So they go to the ancient places and dig out the houses, coins, bricks, stones, implements, sample of food, bones of men and animal, etc., and they study them and make us aware about culture of man of that time. So the role of archaeologists is basically what they do. They go on these ancient sites or ancient places where there are this very old houses and old monuments or old forts or old palaces, and they go and dig that area and they find things like this. They find many things like coins, bricks, stones, and many implements. They find sample of food, they find bones of men and animals, and they study, they make a research on all that things and tells us about the culture of men of that time. Men has been wandering from place to place, from one place to another since ancient times. So as we all know that in ancient time men did not have any permanent house, so they used to travel from one place to another place. Many travelers have visited other countries to note life of people there. So travelers what they do, they go from one country to another country, they talk to people over there, they ask about their lifestyle, about their habits, about their food, about their clothing, about their culture, and they give us the information about other countries as well. So the work of traveler is basically to go from country to country and gives us information about their lifestyle, about that area, how do what type of life they live and all that. From the travel details of such travelers we get information about the history and culture of a country. So if, for example, if a person who was a traveler 100 years ago, and if he visits any place out of India, he must have wrote about that place, right? So that written work or that book or that paper, what historians do, they find that papers, they read that papers, and then they give us the information about that particular country. It includes travelers like it yeah. So this we get information about the history and culture of the country, and on the basis of that details of which travelers has written, we also get to know about the history of other countries as well. So it includes travelers like Magethesens, Philon, Fahian, Yunsan. So this all were the travelers who traveled from country to country, and they gave information about many other countries as well. The researches of archaeologists and historians gives us glimpse of great civilization which flourished in the northwest region of the bank of river Indus. So basically the researches of archaeologists and historians who do the research on the things which they find from the old places. So what they give, basically they give us information about their civilization and which flourished the northwest region of the banks of the river Indus. So they give us information about the civilization during that time, and they also give the information about where they used to live, how they used to live, near which river. So this all things we get to know from this archaeologists and historians. In India, many cities existed more than 4,500 years ago. So there were many cities in our India, like in 4,500 years ago also there were many cities in our India. In the same way, it can also be known that many cities developed on the banks of river Ganga and nearby area about 2,500 years ago. So they can also find about how many years ago other cities or other states were developed. So the archaeologists can also give information about the river Ganga. The area which was developed near the river Ganga was around 2,500 years ago. All these tools gives us information about customs, food, attire, technology and culture of people of that time. So basically the people who are historians, archaeologists or travelers, they give us information about the customs, food, attire, technology and many other things, right? So by exploring many cities and villages, they have given us information regarding cotton, barley, wheat. Besides this, they have also given us information about animals of that time. So they can not only give us the information about their customs, about their clothes, about their culture, but they can also give us information about that particular village or that particular city, and they have given us information regarding the crops which they used to grow, the animals they used to rear, or the animals they used to keep with them, right? So this all things are given to us, or we know about this of history is with the help of this archaeologists, travelers and historians. Archaeologists are the scholars who study about past. So basically they are considered as scholars because they study about the past, right? They categorize the tools found, do researches, collect data from manuscripts, documents, archives, and then scribe them in a rigorous way. Archaeologists and historians bring past to life. So the things which is gone, what do these historians and archaeologists do? They bring life. They recreate that past thing again and write it in a new way. They do so much study. They study about the manuscripts, they study about the things which are written on the paper, on the tarpatra, on the coins, and they collect all this information and make a report on it, and they give us information in such a way that we feel that that past is it gives them a life, right? It makes that place alive again. So it is a very important role of this archaeologists, historians and travelers that they give us the information about this, and they present in such a way that we can understand all this informations very easily. So I'm going to stop with the chapter over here today. We'll continue the chapter in the next class. Thank you.